Pandavas, led by Yudhishthira, they seek permission with blessings before the battle were to begin. The whole purpose behind it, that the beginning of the battle, every day you begin your battle. Before you begin it, don't just begin it, do Sri Ganesh. Begin with invocation and blessings. Blessings for victory. That's a subtle meaning behind it. So the entire Mahabharata battle, Yudhishthira represents the path of virtue. If you are following the path of virtue, then you are always receiving blessings, even from those who appear like enemies. God dwells in them. So they may not see you adoring them, but adore them in the eternal and receive blessings. That's the secret of success.